Hello and thank you for visiting Luscombe Motors. Today I'm going to show you a short look around our lovely Suzuki Vitara SZ5 AllGrip in a superior white. Now this is a 1.4 manual. It is a 4x4, that's why it's called an AllGrip, so it has got four-wheel drive. It's got 10,300 miles on the clock and it can achieve 37 miles per gallon, so it is a fairly economical SUV. It's had two previous owners and it has full service history, so it has been very well looked after and maintained. Next I'll show you a little look inside the boot space. As you can see, with it being a large SUV, it does have a nice boot space available there. It can be extended even further by 6 inches by lifting up the panel in the back. Just a little look inside the rear seat area. So with it being the SZ5 variant, it does have half leather seats, so half leather with suede cloth interior as well, so it does have a nice little cross-hatch pattern available there. Moving around into the front, here is your multimedia touchscreen panel. Now this will come standard with several features such as a sat-nav, reverse camera, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Slightly lower down, here is your climate control, so that will come standard with air conditioning. It also has an automatic mode. Just further there you have your driving mode, so as you can see you do have a sports, snow and an automatic mode as well. There is your leather multifunctional steering wheel, so from here you can adjust your radio and volume settings. On the adjacent side you can control your cruise control settings, which is adaptive. Underneath a little lip there you do have an option to accept and reject phone calls as well as voice recognition. Now with this being the SZ5, you do get several more features. That would include your diamond cut alloy wheels, which do have a nice intrinsic design on them. And just a little look on the inside there, it's closed at the moment, but you do get a double sliding panoramic sunroof. Now before this car leaves us at the dealership, it will be given 12 months of advisory free MOT, and it'll also be given a fresh service. If you would like any further information on the Vitara, or if you would like to take it out for a test drive, do feel free to get in touch, either give us a call or drop us an email. Myself or one of my colleagues will be more than happy to help going forward. Thank you very much, and we hope to hear from you soon.